शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Shukla Ambaradharam. Shuklambaradharam is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranah. Vishnum Shashivarnam is a compound word. Chaturbhujam is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranah. Prasannavadanam is a compound word. Dhyayet Dhas Mahapranah. Sarva Vighna Upashantaye. Sarva Vighnopashantaye is a compound word. विघ्न घास महाप्रणः. ओम शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. अस्य श्री आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र महामंत्रस्य अगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः आदित्य हृदय भूतो भगवान् ब्रह्मा देवता निरस्ताशेष विघ्नतया ब्रह्मविद्या सिद्धौ सर्वत्र जयसिद्धौ च विनियोगः. अस्य Shri Aditya Hridaya Stotra Mahamantrasya altogether is a compound word. Agastyaha becomes Agastyo because of Sandhi. This is a compound word. Bhagavan Mahapranah Rishihi. Bhagavan N joins with the R of Rishihi to become Nr. So Bhagavan Rishihi. Anushtup Chandaha. Cha is Mahapranah. Aditya Hridaya Bhutaha is a compound word. Bhas Mahapranah. It becomes Aditya Hridaya Bhuto because of Sandhi. Bhagavan Bhas Mahapranah. Brahma Devata Nirasta Ashesha. Nirasta Ashesha Vighnataya is a compound word. Vighna Ghas Mahapranah. Brahma Vidya Siddhau is a compound word. Dhas Mahapranah. Sarvatra Jaya Siddhau is a compound word. Second Dha is Mahapranah. Cha Vinyogaha. Asya Shri Aditya Hridaya Stotra Mahamantrasya Agastyo Bhagavan Rishihi Anushtup Chandaha Aditya Hridaya Bhuto Bhagavan Brahma Devata Nirasta Shesha Vighnataya Brahma Vidya Siddhau Sarvatra Jaya Siddhau Cha Viniyogaha. Jayatu Jayatu Suryam Saptalokaika Deepam Kirana Shamita Papam Klesha Dukhasya Nasham Aruna Kirana Gamyam Chadimaditya Murtim Sakala Bhuvana Vandyam Bhaskarantan Namami. Jayatu Jayatu Suryam Sapta Loka Eka Lokaika Deepam. Sapta Lokaika Deepam is a compound word. Kirana Shamita Papam is a compound word. Klesha Dukhasya Nasham is a compound word. Dukha, the Kha is Mahapranah. Aruna Kirana Gamyam is a compound word. Cha Adim. Chadim because of Sandhi. Aditya Murtim is a compound word. Sakala Bhuvana Vandyam is a compound word. Bhuvana Bhas Mahapranah. Bhaskaram Bhas Mahapranah. Bhaskaram ends with a dot on top of Ra, which is called the Anuswara. It usually has the sound of M. It is followed by the Ta Varga, Tam, Ta. So the Anuswara changes its sound to the nasal of the Ta Varga, which is N. So Bhaskarantam. Tam again is followed by Namami. So the Tam also has an Anuswara on top. So the Anuswara changes to N because it is followed by Namami, which is a part of the Ta Varga. So it becomes Tannamami. Bhaskaran Tannamami because of Sandhi. Dhyanam Jayatu Jayatu Suryam Saptalokaikadipam Kirana Shamita Papam Klesha Dukhasya Nasham अरुणकिरणगम्यञ्चादिमादित्यमूर्तिं सकलभुवनवन्द्यं भास्करं तन्नमामि.